Hopefully these are dry. Oh my days. Then I am going to start by brushing the ends of my locks just to make sure everything is smooth. If you do not have extensions at the end of your locks, you do not have to worry about this part. Starting on wet hair is like running a race in flip-flops. You are just making it harder for yourself. So start with dry locks. If you are not using a setting mousse of some sort, then you're set to fail. Always use a setting product to help you achieve the most defined curls that will last a long time. And when it comes to flexi rods, size dictates the curls. So if you use a smaller flexi rod, you're going to have a tighter curl. If you use a larger flexi rod, you're going to have a bigger curl. So think about what size you want and choose accordingly. And so the ones that I like to use are the ones with a 2 centimeter diameter, and it gives me really lovely ringlets. At no point should you pick this up and say, oh, let me just spritz. Absolutely not. Like I said, water is the enemy of progress when it comes to flexi rods. So keep that away. Stick to the mousse. I really do like to saturate my locks with mousse, but mousse is different to water. It dries a lot quicker, and so you can get a very quick drying time when you just use mousse. The way you wrap your locks on the flexi rod is the way it will set. If you wrap it in a way that looks messy, the result will also be messy. Take your time with it and make sure it looks good whilst it's on the flexi rod, so when you take the flexi rods out, it will look even better. So how many flexi rods should you use? I like to use more flexi rods where possible. On this side I have about 10, and I'm going to have 10 on this side as well, so altogether 20. So this allows me to have better definition and also to not have to separate the curls as much. So saturate the section that you're working on with a lot of mousse. Secure the tips of your locks by wrapping it around on itself a couple of times. This will stop any unraveling from the ends and make sure everything is neatly wrapped and tucked in. Doing this as neatly as you can until you get to the top. Once you get to the top, all that's left to do, hook the flexi rod back on itself, and that will secure it and keep it in place. There's nothing more painful than doing a flexi rod set that takes you maybe an hour to install and then taking it out and the results are not what you want. So be patient with it. Give it hours to dry. I'm going to go to sleep with these in my hair. I don't know how much sleep I'm going to actually have, but these curls better be popping. See you when it's time for takedown. Bye. Okay guys, it's the next day. Thank goodness my eyes are not bloodshot because I did not sleep well at all, but it's now time to take this down. Let's start at the back. Hopefully these are dry. Let's see. Oh my days. Wow, look at that perfect curl. Yay. Okay, maybe it is worth losing sleep. Ooh, gorgeous. When unraveling the locks from the flexi rods, you really want to take your time with it. Go with the flow. Don't be rough. You don't want to separate the curls unexpectedly. So just take your time with it. It might feel a little bit crispy and crunchy, but don't worry. This means it's set really well and these curls are going to last very long. There we go. This side is done. Wow, gorgeous curls. Ah! Last one. These curls never disappoint. Here I was thinking I'd finished and taken them all out, but psych. There's always one, isn't there? Look at this definition. Guys, you cannot make this up. I always struggle to know whether I should separate the curls or not, but I will be separating these curls. Guys, what? How could you not tell me? I can't believe I had Sisterlocks. Okay, I'm sure this is definitely the last one. Okay, separate that. Okay, I'm just going to disturb the roots as much as possible, comfortably so. And there we go, one side separated, and I'm going to do the other side off camera. Which side do you prefer? So this is the non-fluffed out side, and this is the fluffed out side. Which side is nicer? And there you have it. Look at these curls, the volume, the definition. I am in love. Every single time I do this, I'm like, why am I doing this again? But then I see the results. This is why. This is why I love Flexirods. But now you can recreate the style on your locks. I know I have these boho lock extensions in at the moment, and you might think, well, that's probably affecting the results. However, I will insert here Flexirod sets that I have done on my locks before I had the boho lock extensions. And then, of course, as you can see, Flexirod sets that I have done on my boho lock extensions. It's virtually the same. It's absolutely going to work on your natural locks, and it will work on your boho lock extensions as well. If you follow the step-by-steps, you should be able to achieve this level of definition. And this style can actually last a very long time. The last time I did my Flexirods, the curls lasted me 20 days, and that was because I had to wash my hair. So I will be showing you how you can wrap your hair to maintain the curls as best as possible. So I've got my hair parted all the way down the middle. Take my bonnet, pop that over my head. I'm going to scrunch up all these curls, scrunch them all the way up, and I'm going to tuck this just like so. There we go. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And doing this is just going to encourage the curls to actually stay even curlier. And so I'm just going to pop that all the way in. All in nicely and done. Look like the Queen of Hearts, but you know what? This technique really does work. I'll try and film something just to show you what my curls look like tomorrow. It's the next day. I just wanted to quickly show you what my hair is looking like. Oh, looks a bit dry, but there we go. So this is day 2. As you can see, the curls are giving still. Okay. Yeah, guys, what do you think? Let me know. I'm going to show you what it looks like in the back. Ooh. Let me know. What do you think about the results? Are you going to try this for yourself? If you do, let me know how you get on. Any questions you have, pop them in the description bar below. Thanks for watching. Bye.